PSA Study is the best training provider for PTE and 𝗣𝗧𝗘. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Contact us for more information.
Hi guys, this is Sunny from PSA Study, and in this video we are going to discuss about a unique approach for doing summarized spoken text. We are glad to inform you that we are now assisting students for PTE and 𝗣𝗧𝗘. Please do visit our channel PSA Study for more videos on PTE and 𝗣𝗧𝗘 and contact us in case if you need any further information. So guys, straight away I'm going to the question. So guys, we have a question in front of us and I'll be playing the audio. What I want from you is you just capture at least 10 to 11 keywords, nothing else. Thereafter, I'll be telling you how to develop your own template straight away in the exam without mugging up different templates, right? So let me play an audio. Thereafter, we'll be discussing the things in further. First, we'll just write down the keywords.
Next, let's look at a positive and negative emotions and positive and negative expression of these emotions. No one can see positive and negative. I mentioned earlier that there is a range of feelings there's a range of expressions that we feel ranging from anger, sadness, shame, frustration or depression, disgust, love, calm or happiness or sadness. So if I'm looking at these emotions, I can broadly categorize all of them in either being positive or negative. So let's take, for instance, anger and fear. So if I'm feeling angry, what happens is all the blood flow is increased towards my hands. As a result, it makes it easier for me to grasp a weapon or to make a strike. And that is a lot of adrenaline that is released, which increases energy necessary for the action. On the other hand, if I'm feeling happy, if I'm feeling calm, the major center is the brain for a lot of activity. And this inhibits negative emotions as feeling negative or negative emotions from entering our mind. So this is what happens. It has a lot to do with hormones. It has a lot to do with, this is a reason why they see that it was in an impulse. I happened to slap the person, but I didn't mean it. When I'm angry, I don't realize that I end up hitting the person. So this has a lot to do with your hormones. Once you know what you're feeling, once you are aware, you have labeled your feelings really well. This is exactly what happens when there's blood flow rushing through your own hands. And then it makes it easier for you to make a strike, to grasp something or to defend yourself. This is exactly what happens when we're talking about positive and negative expression of our feelings. This is positive and negative. Next, we look at the healthy and the unhealthy ways of expressing ourselves.
So guys, as you know that we already have mentioned out the keywords. So I also have made some keywords. Let me show you. So we have 11 keywords from the audio: positive and negative emotions, range of feelings, anger, sadness, shame, depression, love, blood flow increases in hands, grab a weapon, released energy for actions, brain activities, hormones, impulses and reasons, hitting a person, strike or defend yourself, and healthy and unhealthy ways to express. So guys, let me tell you, these keywords are enough to get you the full score in summarized spoken text. Now let's come to the question again. So guys, we already have marked up a template. Whatever the template you are following, that is not an issue. So what I want is, I just want only 2 lines of your template. Maybe of essay, maybe of anything. So straight away, as you know, a lot of people are using these 2 lines as a template for write an essay. I'm just simply copying these lines and I'll be pasting over here. Right? Everybody is using this template nowadays. So what I'll be doing, I'll be modifying this a bit. The lecture was about dash. Firstly, he talked about, and at the end I'll say, overall, he deduced or concluded your choice. Right? This is going to be my template. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be making some space in between those two lines, whatever I have copied from my essay template, to just get the place for those keywords. Firstly, he talked about, I'll be making it a blank. Today's words. Now again I'll be making some space. There is dash. Again we're making a space. That this will lead to, again I'll be making space in, again we'll be making space. That's it. I'm done. Now my template is ready, and I'm ready to fill out the keywords, right? So what I'll be doing is I'll be straight away copying the keywords. The lecture was about, simply pasting. I'll be modifying this out. The lecture was about positive and negative emotions. Firstly, talked about range of feelings, copying and pasting. Range of feelings, comma, anger, sadness, shame, depression, love. Making a small again. Anger, sadness, shame, depression, love, trends of today's word. Again, I'll be copying. Making V small. Upsearch in. Grab a weapon. It should be small. There is dash. Again copying. There is release energy for actions. That will lead to brain activities. To brain activities in hormones, impulses and reasons. Again, making it small. Overall, he reduced. So I have 2 or 3 keywords left. So I'll be copying all of them, hitting a person, comma, healthy and unhealthy way to express. So guys, I'm done. See, I did not took the pressure to just mark up a different template. I used the same template, whatever already I marked up. Let me show you the score as well. Let me copy this again. Let me restart it again because already I've done that.
No.
So I'm pasting this again. Can you see that? Let me show you the score. Look at this. I have got full score, 10 out of 10. So this is the new approach for doing summarize spoken text, and I hope that you liked the new method. So guys, thanks for watching our video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and comment if you have any doubts. You can also join our Telegram group through the link given in the description for practicing and contacting us. Thank you very much, guys.